Hey guys, today I'm back at Aquaventure Dive and Photo Center with Melanie, and we're doing more full face mask. If you want to know more about what full face mask diving is, the pros and cons of diving with a full face mask, how it differs from regular diving, you can check out my video about everything you need to know about full face mask diving. I'll have that linked in the cards as well as in the description below. So today we're going to be putting two of Ocean Technology Systems full face masks to the test and face them off against each other. So on the right we have the Spectrum full face mask, and on the left we have the Guardian full face mask. So Melanie is going to be starting with the Guardian. She's going to get that mask secured on her face. Straps are going to be tightened down at the jaw first, then the temple, and then the top of the head. Next, I am going to be putting on the Spectrum full face mask. This mask needs to be defogged like a normal mask, so I'm getting all the defogger out, rinsed out of my mask. Then I'm securing that mask on my face. Again, you want to tighten that at the jaw first, then the temples, and then make minor adjustments at the top. So let's head underwater and try them out. Now I am going to be switching to the Guardian mask, securing that on my head. A little bit of a struggle, but I got it. And again, jaw, straps first, then temples. Oh, nope, just kidding. Going for that valve. Now temples, then top of head. Then Melanie's now going to be trying out the Spectrum. So she'll get that secured around her head. Tighten those straps. All good to go. And let's head back underwater and test them out. Okay, so a couple of differences between the Guardian and the Spectrum. First one's going to be like your field of view. So this one you have like a really wide panel here.
so you can see like a really wide area, whereas this one's the same field of view as your normal scuba mask. This one's a little bit more affordable than this one. This, what did we say, it ranges, it's like around
$1,000.
Yeah, probably somewhere in the 1,000. I'll pop a little thing up on the screen and say how much this one is. This one's closer to like 400. The other difference is this one has a like release valve here. They call it the ABV valve, the ambient breathing valve. So you can open this up while you're on the surface so that you're not using your tank air until you get underwater. This one can have it, but it doesn't come with it. You have to buy the piece extra to get it. They both can be hooked up with comms, and this one has mounts, like there's these screws on the side. You can get a mount to put like a flashlight. Right. Yeah, there. You can put like a flashlight or a camera on there. You can get the mount for the top of the mask to get like a GoPro, those kinds of things. Just like this one can be hooked up with accessories as well. Oh, and the other difference with this one to with this one to clear your nose, you have those nose pieces inside. The nose pieces inside that you then push the mask against your face, and then that seals your nostrils to clear, whereas with this one you just clear like a regular mask. It's the silicone ready, so you have access to your nostrils. So that's pretty cool. I think, oh yeah, this one you can just take your mouthpiece right off of the regulator that you use, your regular regulator, and you pop it into the opening on the mask, and then there's a, like, you can zip tie it, or you can get one of those like fasteners that you don't cut a zip tie. I don't know what they're called.
What?
Reusable.
Okay.
Yeah, like the reusable zip tie to secure it in, and that's it. That's all it does, or that's all it takes. Where this one has the hose attachment that you hook into.
Disconnect your entire second stage.
Ugh, there. Guardian versus Spectrum. What did you think?
I think I like the Guardian better.
Yeah.
It
I'm still
feels
Guardian.
a little bit more sturdy, right? And the connection is nice and easy, right? So you just disconnect your entire second stage, connect it in there. But other than that, it didn't feel too different.
The nose piece is probably the place that feels the most different.
Yeah.
Because this one you have something right by your nose, whereas that one it's just free. For me, I just think if you're going full face mask, you might as well get the range of view. So I'm still personally like the Guardian, because for me, the benefit of the full face mask is that range of view and feeling like you're underwater without like having a breathing apparatus.
Yeah. If you have trouble clearing, this one might be easier, just because you can actually pinch your nose, where that, if you don't align it right, you might not be able to clear your nose.
Yeah. The other benefit of that one, obviously, is that it's much more affordable. So if you're somebody who has more discomfort with having a regulator in your mouth and a mask just around your face, then that is a great option. It's super comfortable and affordable, and is great for that. I just think if you're gonna go for full face mask, outside of any sort of discomfort for a regular thing, you might as well go full hog, right?
Go all the way.
Yeah, like get the range of view. But it's a cool, it's also a very cool mask. There's also the other video that I mentioned earlier. We tried out the Ocean Reef mask. So if you want to see what that one is like and our opinions on that one, you can check out that video. Okay, that's all I have for you guys today. If you made it this far into the video, haven't already, please consider subscribing. And you can also follow me over on Instagram at Fully Submerged Scuba. You can follow Melanie over on Instagram at Aquaventure. And I will see you guys next week until we dive again. Bye! And as soon as OTS goes and gets a white one of these, they messaged me on the last video, and I slid in a little extra request for a white mask there too. But so far, no word on that. I don't want them to know at the end of the video
Yeah.
we say, because you gotta watch it to find out. Okay.
Alright. Till next time.
Alright, guys.
You know how you go like, see you later.
Oh, yeah.
You go, ha.